guys, today we're back out with the MAVIC 3, and I found on Amazon a little tiny strobe. It's very tiny. You can see how big this is. This is not big at all, and you put a little piece of Velcro on your drone, and this just sticks to the Velcro. Anyways, we're going to try this out and see how well she works. So let's press her on. Okay, this is just a white. It has a white, green, and a red. So we're going to check it out on the white and see how well you can see that. But there it is. We have green here. Press it again. It's a little longer green. Press it again. Green. Red. Just a long press to shut her down. That's cool. Very cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. I'm just loving this. Just loving it.